In the vast and dynamic world of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, innovative projects emerge that capture the interest of enthusiasts and users eager to participate in new opportunities. One of these initiatives is Gracias, a DePIN project built on Solana, which rewards its users for sharing their unused bandwidth through a unique proposal, thus opening the doors to a novel way of earning passive income while contributing to a decentralized network. Although the concept is not new, the way the project is approached and the ultimate destination of the shared resources make Gracias a different proposition. Gracias' business model is based on selling unused bandwidth to previously selected companies and universities. These entities utilize the network for machine learning projects and other similar applications, especially those related to AI, generating a stream of income that is shared with participating users. Gracias is a project in a very early stage of its roadmap, currently in a closed beta phase, meaning access is limited and can only be obtained through an invitation using the referral code of an active user on the network. This selective approach allows for controlling the growth and quality of the network, ensuring a solid experience for all participants. Although access is restricted, the cost for users is zero, and the barrier to entry is low, as it only requires minimal effort to register and set up their browser extension, which, when active, contributes to the network and accumulates Gracias points. These points are precursors to future Gracias tokens once its mainnet is launched. Currently, these Gracias points have no economic value, but it's considered very interesting to accumulate them in this early stage of the roadmap, as, among many other future advantages, there is speculation on social networks about a potential airdrop by the project, the distribution of which would be based precisely on the number of points accumulated at the time of the snapshot for distribution. At this point, you may be wondering how you can participate in Gracias. Well, although as I mentioned earlier, the project is in a closed beta accessible only by invitation, you're in luck because we are currently inside and have the invitation code you need to participate, which I'm showing on the screen and leaving in the description. So, to participate in Gracias, the first thing you need to do is register through our link. For this, you'll only need an email and a password, in addition to the invitation code, without which you won't be able to access. Once inside, the next step is to install the Gracias browser extension. With the extension installed and your browser open, you'll automatically be contributing to the network, accumulating Gracias points. As you can see, everything is easy and straightforward. What I've just told you is the official traditional way, through a graphical interface, to contribute to Gracias. Although it's not the only way. It's also possible, although in this case through unofficial repositories, to participate in Gracias using Docker, to be able to install it on any Linux-based server or machine, without needing to use the browser extension. This can be especially interesting for mining Gracias on our Crank LoRaWAN miners, which I've been talking about a lot in the latest videos, especially because they allow for multiple mining. Just so you know, Gracias is one of those projects that can be mined on them, along with others like Filecoin, through Filecoin Station, Presearch, or Mysterium, in addition to Helium and Crank, which already do it natively. But well, I'll tell you about that in a specific video, as I don't want to make this one too long. And before finishing, I want to clarify some myths and realities about Gracias since it's natural that questions and doubts arise about its operation and security. The first question you might be asking yourself is whether sharing your bandwidth will affect the speed of your connection. According to the Gracias developers, the network is designed to use only the bandwidth you're not actively using, which means that theoretically, you shouldn't experience a significant decrease in your connection's performance. However, the experience may vary depending on the speed and quality of your connection. In my case, I must say that I've been using it for a while and haven't noticed anything at all. The other associated issue would be regarding security. Security is a fundamental concern when it comes to sharing resources online. In the case of Gracias, the platform assures its users that it only sells bandwidth to companies and universities that have gone through a rigorous selection process, limiting access to individuals and minimizing the risks of misuse of the connection. However, like with any online platform, there is always a risk, although this shouldn't be any different from any other application or platform connected to the internet that you use in your daily life. Having said all of the above, we now conclude today's video. I hope you found the information provided interesting and that you can make the most of it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you in the next one.